Hello everyone, welcome to our project website UniHire. It's a job portal website designed specifically to address a real problem faced by students and recent graduates of our university. Many students and fresh graduates struggle to find part-time or full-time job opportunities. At the same time, local employers often find it difficult to reach the right talent within the university. Our website UniHire aims to solve this disconnection. In this website, employers can post jobs and students can apply for them. So without further talking, let's take a tour of this website. First we can see we have a beautiful loading animation. We have a beautiful logo with our own university icon here, or logo you can say. We have some hover effects on the nav links and a button here which we will talk about later, and we have a brief description about our website here and some buttons. Let's ignore them for now. Below we have a category sections of the job types we have with some beautiful hover effects on the card, and there are more categories available for which we need to click on the view more to see them. Let's move below for now. We have a beautiful about section with a gallery. Here we have a beautiful about section on the left. Here are some text and a button with some hover effects. Also we have a testimonials where we can see the opinions of the students. Right now these are all custom edit, not real students' opinion. Of course, we can swipe or drag this, and we can also click here to switch to different opinions. And finally, below we have a footer section. These are some dummy contents right now, but we have some hover effects here, as you can see, some links also, and we have a back to top button here, which will take us back to the top of the page with a beautiful animation. Also, view these links. These are the section links of the home page, such as this will take us to the category section, this will take us to the about section, but the contact has a separate page. So let's get to it. As you can see, our contact page, we have some location, dummy emails and phone numbers. We have a real-time map here. As you can see, our beloved university here, and a dummy form. We can fill up this, but this is just for view showcase. And we have a footer here, which is pretty much the same as the home page, and back to the top button. So let's go to the home page again. Here the go to portal and search a job button will take us to the our main featured page, which is the job page. So let's click on it. So this is our job page, where we can see some stats like total available job post, total active users here, and we can see the listed jobs here. Also, here are some filter options, a search bar, some drop downs for the filters. So these numbers are dynamic. They will be responsive to the total available job post or total active users here. Right now there are 15 job posts available. Now let's filter through our job post. Let's say we are going to search the keyword senior. Of this search works for the title, so let's search for this keyword senior. Press or click search, and this will show the available job with the title including the keyword senior. So 2 jobs are found in this case, so this will show 2 available jobs. And as we have filtered, we will show see a clear filter button here, on which click we can remove the filter. Now all the 15 jobs is available to view again. We can also filter by this drop down, such as we can search through IT jobs or filter through them. So let's filter, and we can see 6 IT jobs are available here, and similarly we can clear the filter. Also we can search by the industry or both together. So let's say for IT jobs, of course, we are going to look through IT software industries. So all the IT category jobs are from the software industry, so the number is same. But if we, let's say, search by brewery category industry and let's filter it, it shouldn't show any jobs. Of course, there are no available jobs by the IT category but brewery industry, so there is no jobs available for this filter, and we can see a empty search result section here. Let's clear the filters, and we will be able to see all our available jobs again. In the job section, we can see beautiful hover effects, and on the job card we can see an icon of the company which is dynamic to the company name, such as for this name the first two letter will be shown here as the icon HA. For Rocky it will show RO here. For all the job post it is the same, and we have some information here such as title, company name, requirement, salary, etc, etc. And we have an apply now button here. For now, let's say we are not signed in here and we are about to apply. So click on the apply. It will take us to the login model, but as we are not logged in, so we need to log in first. Before login, of course, we need to register first. So let's register now. We have two options as registration. As an employer we can register, or as a job seeker. So to apply we of course need to register as a job seeker. Let's put some sample data here for registering. Let's say my name is, and here I am putting my email. For the password I'm putting 1234. We have a show option here to check our password. We can even hide it again for our privacy. And after putting the password, let's put some qualifications such as BSc in CSC, and we can put our birth date here by putting numbers manually, or we have a calendar. I have picked a birth date. Now let's put some skill. Right now I'm putting the suggestion shown in the browser: web developer, full stack developer, etc. And we need to upload a resume as a job seeker, which should be a PDF. So let's choose file, and I have some sample PDF here, so let's select one. Okay, I have uploaded my resume. Now create our account. Great, it shows the successful model, so it means we are registered. Now we have to log in. So let's go to the portal again and log in as the job seeker. So my email was viktorpurva@email.com, and the password I have put 1234. Let's check if it's correctly put. Yes, 1234. Let's log in, and here you can see the job seeker profile is been shown here, an icon. It is by default same for every job seeker. Here we can see some information listed about the job seeker, such as username, email, etc, etc. And we can also view the resume here, the sample PDF I have provided while registering. Let's close it. We have a drop down here. My profile shows the profile information. In the jobs applied section, here is a table to show the job post that the job seeker has applied for. Right now this job seeker haven't applied for any job post, so let's begin with applying for some. To apply, in the jobs section we can see the listed jobs. Let's apply some, such as this one, senior financial analyst. Let's click on apply now, and here we are being shown an model that's a job applied successfully, so it should be on the jobs applied section here. Let's apply more, such as DevOps engineer. Press apply now, and we have applied on this job too. Now check the jobs applied section. As you can see, the two applied jobs are listed here. This table is very dynamic. You can search by the title or description here, such as DevOps. For Dev, it will show only this one, as this keyword only available for this job. And if we clear it, we can see the previous one also. And we can show the list and by entries here. Like we can limit the entries for 10, 25, even up to 100 entries at once. For now, by default it is 10. And we can sort by various things like post IDs, companies, such as if you click, it will show the list by ascending or descending order. And we have an pagination here. For now, this is the buttons are not available because we only applied for 2 jobs. If we have suppose hundreds of jobs, then this pagination will be activated, and we can use that to navigate through the applied jobs. And here there is an status section which is also dynamic like this, but this can change. Like for now it is being shown applied, but based on the selection or rejection, the text will change. We will see this later. For now, let's move on to the employer section. To view the employer section, let's move on to another browser. where we will log in as an employer. Also, you can see that our website is cross-browser responsible. It is running well on all browsers. So yeah, let's register first as an employer. Let's put some sample data like test employer. Email is test employer 09. Let's put the password again, 1234. Yeah, let's create account and see our employer account has been registered. Now we need to log in. So let's log in. Let's put remove the pre-existing data here. Our email was test employer 09. We can put it from the suggestion 1234, our password. Yeah, this is correctly put. Right, now login. And here nice, we can see our beautiful employer profile section, which is this page, my account. In here we see some information of the employer and similar table as we have seen in the job seeker section. For now, this table shows the posted jobs by this employer. As we have just now registered and we haven't posted any jobs, this table is empty. So let's begin by posting a job. Here it is. This will take us to a form where we need to enter the job details such as job title. Let's say senior JavaScript developer. Job category, let's say IT jobs. Minimum experience 5 to 6 years, of course, as a senior. Salary budgets, you can put text also. Let's say for example BDT for more clearance. The industry, let's put it IT software as it should be. Job requirements should be let's say proficient in Java scripts, HTML, CSS. We can put anything here. And for the role, build websites for our client. And for the employment type, we have permanent or part-time for the internship opportunities. But let's put it permanent for now. And we have job status, which is meant for the employer. We can keep it open or closed. We'll talk about close after a few moments. Let's keep it open for now and post these jobs. As you can see, this table is filled with our posted job. All the data are shown here. We can update it, of course, and we can delete it. As I have said, if we are going to update, we can close the jobs when we can find our applicants. So if we close and update the job posting, it will show close. But we want to keep it open for now, so let's keep it open. And we can also delete it, but we are going to delete it later. First, let's check if this job is being shown on the job seeker job section. So let's refresh the page. As you can see, we can see the posted jobs here. All the informations are being shown here now. And by this job seeker account, we can also apply this now. Let's apply. Job applied successfully. And here in the job applied section, we can see the job here. Let's move to the employer section. We have another page here, which is view applicants, where we can see all the applications that have been submitted by the job seekers on our job posts. So it should show the newly applied jobs here, applicants here, such as people who have applied for the recent jobs. And we can also view the job seeker resume here. We can download it, and here we can view the uploaded resume. And it's also have the same pagination, search, filter, etc. It's same table for every other accounts. That's pretty much it for the employer. Let's check out our very special admin panel. We can also moderate our website as an admin. So for that we need to log in first. And for admin, you cannot register. For admin, we have this email set and our password. Let's log in. As you can see, our admin panel. Right now, as an admin, we have Rocky Borwa and an default icon here. And we can see all the job posts that are currently present on the website, and we can delete them too. Let's see if you can see the newly posted jobs. Here you can see the newly posted jobs. Senior JavaScript developer, we posted a minute ago. we can delete it. Let's delete this. And in the employer section or the job seeker section, it should be removed. Here the job isn't available anymore. The senior web JavaScript developer, we can see that anymore. And the changes should be applied on the employer section too. So let's move to the employer section. If we refresh it, there shouldn't be any applications, of course. If the job isn't available, as you can see, the application shouldn't be available too. So everything is removed about that job. So that's one of the admin power. Admin can also accept or reject application by viewing their resume. So this job seeker applied for these two jobs, DevOps engineer, senior financial analyst. Let's check through them with the admin panel. Let's search for those jobs, DevOps. So for the DevOps engineer, you can see the job seeker Biplab logo applied for it. Let's accept it, and we should be able to see the changes here on the job seeker section. So if we refresh it, this should be changed to accepted. As you can see, the status have been updated here. And if we look up for these jobs, we can view the rejected status also. So let's go back to the admin panel and search for this job. And Biplab Guru has applied for these jobs. Let's reject it and view the changes on the job seeker section. Let's refresh the page, and you can see for this job, the applicant is rejected. So this is pretty much the admin authentication and their features. In this website, our goal is to empower students by giving them a direct path to the employment. In the future, we are planning to add more features like company ratings, student reviews, resume building tools, notification, etc. We believe that our website UniHire can become a valuable bridge between education and employment. Thank you for bearing with us. We hope our efforts support the university's students' careers. Thank you.